When you're a good home cook, you can make the most magical meals out of absolutely anything. And that is why today I present to you a staple in our house. You're gonna love this recipe for little wieners, aka hot dogs and eggs. First, I added butter and little wieners to a pan on medium heat. Once they brown, push them to the edge and form a circle around the pan. Turn the pan to medium-low and drop in your 2 scrambled eggs. They're gonna set at this time. Once the eggs have gradually cooked to your liking, sprinkle in some fresh cracked black pepper. This recipe literally almost fell apart, but it made it to the serving plate. And then I drizzled on a little sriracha, yummy, cilantro, and some cotija cheese. If you learned something new today, please like and subscribe and let me know what I can cook for you next. I love to use scrambled eggs as a canvas, but I am open to your delicious ideas. Until next time, get all my favorite breakfast recipes at sipbytego.com. And I hope that you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!